Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Choco chip cookies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather 2 sticks butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, 2 eggs, 2½ cups flour, and 1 tsp baking soda. Cream butter and sugars, add eggs, then dry ingredients, fold in 1 to 2 cups chocolate chips. Chill dough briefly, scoop evenly, and bake until edges are golden. Start by creaming softened butter with sugars until the mixture looks pale and fluffy. This traps air for rise. Add eggs one at a time, mixing until just combined to preserve texture. When you add dry ingredients, use a folding motion to prevent overmixing, which causes dense cookies. Finish by stirring in chocolate chips by hand, then chill the dough for firmer, thicker cookies before portioning and baking. For consistent results, portion dough with a 1.5-inch scoop so cookies bake evenly. Bake at 350 degrees F and rotate the pan halfway through baking to ensure uniform browning across your batch. Remove cookies when edges are set but centers look slightly soft, then cool on the pan for about 2 minutes before moving to a wire rack so they finish setting without becoming soggy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.